Welcome to my channel where I share thrilling and fascinating stories, biographies of amazing people, daily life conversations, English phrases, and idioms to boost your vocabulary. Our videos are designed to improve your listening, reading and understanding English skills with clear and easy to understand English. Every video is informative, knowledgeable and inspiring for your future. So let's begin with our today's story. Cleopatra's story, a journey of language, power, and wisdom. In the golden land of ancient Egypt, where the sun blazed brightly over the Nile River, there lived a queen whose name would echo through the ages, Cleopatra. Born into a royal family, Cleopatra was destined to rule a mighty kingdom. But she was no ordinary ruler. Her power was not just in the armies she commanded or the wealth of Egypt. Her true strength came from her mind, her wisdom, and, most of all, her ability to speak many languages. As a young girl, Cleopatra was taught by the best scholars in the kingdom. She studied history, philosophy, and languages. Her father, King Ptolemy XII, encouraged her to learn Greek, the language of the great thinkers and philosophers of the time. But Cleopatra had a secret desire. She wanted to learn as many languages as possible. She knew that to rule Egypt and connect with the world, she needed to understand different cultures, speak to foreign leaders, and command respect in a language that everyone would understand. One day, as Cleopatra sat in her royal study surrounded by scrolls and books, she received a letter from Julius Caesar, the powerful Roman general. The letter was written in Latin, a language Cleopatra had not yet mastered. At that moment, Cleopatra realized something important. If she wanted to form an alliance with Caesar, she would need to communicate with him in his language. She immediately decided to learn Latin, no matter how difficult it seemed. Every night, after the royal duties were done, Cleopatra would sit with her tutor, practicing Latin. She struggled at first, making mistakes and feeling frustrated. But she was determined. She knew that learning this language would give her the opportunity to speak directly with Caesar, without any need for translators. Slowly, her confidence grew. She learned not just the words but the rhythm and flow of the language, the way it could be used to persuade and inspire. Finally, after months of hard work, Cleopatra was ready. She met Julius Caesar in person, and to his surprise, she greeted him in perfect Latin. Caesar was amazed by her intelligence and determination. This moment marked the beginning of a powerful alliance between Rome and Egypt, but more importantly, it showed Cleopatra's strength as a leader who could break barriers with language. Cleopatra's ability to speak many languages didn't stop with Latin. Over the years, she learned several others, including Aramaic, Hebrew, and even some African languages. This skill helped her communicate with people from all over the world, strengthening Egypt's position in the ancient world. Her story reminds us of the power of language. Cleopatra didn't just use her ability to speak different languages to gain power, she used it to connect with people, to understand them, and to lead with wisdom. She understood that learning a language is not just about words, it's about opening doors to new opportunities, new friendships, and new possibilities. So, why is learning English important? Just like Cleopatra, by learning a language, we open the door to new opportunities. Whether it's connecting with people from different cultures, advancing in your career, or simply understanding the world better, English is a powerful tool. It's a language that connects people from all walks of life, and by mastering it, you can unlock the power of communication and knowledge. Cleopatra's story teaches us that learning a language is a journey. It might be challenging at times, but with determination, practice, and a passion for growth, anything is possible. Just like the Queen of Egypt, you too can use the power of language to shape your future, connect with the world, and make your mark on history. So, take a lesson from Cleopatra and start your journey today. Learn English, open the doors to endless possibilities, and become the ruler of your own destiny.